name's Terry Green. I'm the CEO for the Boys and Girls Club, and I've been working here for 30 years. We were having trouble with lights going out, ballasts going out. We went in and we redone every light in the gym, and then about a month later we went back in and 16 of those lights were already out. The ballast is bad. We knew that we was gonna have to do something, so I went to the board and I think the project was a little over 100,000. We ended up, I think, coming out of pocket about 34,000. We had planned on doing the lights over at the gym was the only thing we were gonna do, but we ended up doing the whole project for a third of the cost that we would have had to do the gym for. So we were gonna actually have to go through the endowment to get the 100,000. With the 34,000, we were actually able to just get it out the operating budget and not mess with the endowment. It definitely helped us out on the cost. The board was a lot more willing to sign off on getting the 34,000 than the 100,000. First month we got the bill in. I mean, you could tell the difference. Our bill went from like $1,800 to like $800. Before, you know, it was pretty dim in here. When U.S. Injury Recovery come in and got us all lightened up, we've been seeing places that we never seen before. As for security purposes, we've got cameras, and sometimes if the lighting is dim, you could kind of see shadows. You know, now we can see if somebody comes in, we get a good picture of their face, their body, how tall they are. But since we switched it over, it's been outstanding. The U.S. Injury Recovery, they've saved us up until now about $85,000 or $90,000 in the 5-month period. They made it possible for me to actually hire a couple more staff members by the savings. It's been good for us.